Hi there, welcome back to this channel. In today's lesson, I'm going to teach you how to upload image in the MongoDB database without any NPM package. We're going to use JavaScript and you're going to see in a while how it works. So as a quick demonstration, let me show you. Let's create a new product. Let's name it Toshiba. Okay, description Lower Mitsu as fake text and price. Let's say 150 um 99, and let's choose a category. So these categories come directly from the back end. I'm gonna show you. I want to choose electronics, and let's choose an image for our product. Okay, um let's say this one. Okay, as you can see, and now let's try creating our product. As you can see, product created successfully. Okay, and if you look into console, okay, let me expand that for you. Console, okay, as you can see, we have our product. Okay, we have our product name, price, image. But in the image property, as you can see, you see it was a PNG. Okay, and you see base 64, and this is our image. Okay, in base 64. Okay, so that's what I'm going to teach you right now. And without wasting time, let's begin. Just before begin, if you are new to this channel, consider to subscribe. And when you like our video, it is a way to encourage us to make more videos. With that being said, let's jump to our code editor. And now in our code editor, just to recap, we have our product schema. We have name, description, price, image, category. And this category field is linked to the category model. And we have here our category model. And also we have created, another controller, to get all the categories from the back end. This is happen here, export get categories. And what we did, we find all the categories and we send the categories. So we open a try catch block, okay? And this is the categories. And if error, so we will have here. Okay, in the category route, so we create a route that get, and we create, sorry, the endpoint category /all, and we here we have the get categories from the category controller. We create the route for, to show all the categories. Okay, so for this part, that's it. And now I'm gonna jump in the uh, React, part to show you how to upload the image because the focus is in the React part. Now let's go to the front end part. Okay, so in the front end source, okay, pages. I'm gonna create a folder name, admin. Okay, because only admin will be able to create products. Okay, inside of it, I'm gonna create a functional component. Let's name it, admin create product. Okay, .js. Okay, let's add our shortcut to create a functional component, RAFCE. Okay, boom, and I have the HTML ready. So inside of it, it will be, all of these will be JSX. Okay, to remind you, just if you're a complete beginner. Okay, and I'm gonna remove this. I'm gonna add fragment. Okay, and inside of it, I'm gonna add my HTML ready. Okay, so let's paste. Okay, as you can see, I have my form. Okay, ready. Let's indent. Okay, and set. Okay, and create products. I have name, description, price, category. Okay, the category will come to the back in the back end. Okay, and this is to show what image we are uploading. Okay, so let's save because now we need to see our form. Okay, and let's create a route. I mean to create the product in the front end, and let's go to the app. Okay, I'm gonna import this component. Okay, first of all, okay, import admin create. Okay, admin create product. Okay, as you can see, and now I'm gonna duplicate a private route because this will be a private route. Duplicate this one, and my component will be admin create product, and the route will be, and let's say um, admin. You can say admin dashboard. Okay, admin dashboard. Admin product create, like so. Okay, admin dashboard product created. So we have our route, and now we're gonna test our route to see if this component will appear. Okay. Okay, first of all, let's copy our front-end route. Okay, this will be admin forward slash dashboard forward slash product forward slash create. And now let's go in our front-end application. We have to sign in first, and let's sign in, log in successfully. We are redirected to the user dashboard, but I'm gonna add manually our route. Okay, like so. And as you can see, we have our admin dashboard for the create. Okay, so let's add header and footer. Okay, let's go back real quick. Okay, okay, in this component, let's import header, header. Okay, and I'm gonna duplicate this one to add the footer part. Okay, footer form. Okay, like so. And now I'm gonna add a component here. Okay, header, and okay, here footer. Okay, like so. And if we wanna take a look real quick, okay, as you can see, we have header and footer. But now let's add the functionality. I mean, to make this, I mean, this work. Okay, from the front end to create the product from the front end. Let's go back to our code editor. In our code editor, let's bring categories. I mean, we will output the categories here. This will be a drop down. Okay, we will be able to choose the category here. We will map through categories. So to do so, let's create a variable constant in categories set categories. Okay, we're gonna use use state hook, use state hook. Okay, and it will be auto imported. Okay, and this will be an array, an array. Okay, okay, let's add a comment. Categories from the backend. Okay, like so. And we will also need use effect hook. Okay, use effect hook, and this will be also auto imported as you see in the screen. Okay, this accept two parameters function. This will be an our function, and also an array of dependencies. Okay, like so. So we'll also need Axios to um, make the request. Axios that get. Okay, so it should appear automatically. Axios. Okay, like so. As you can see, auto imported that get. Okay, and our endpoint is /API /category and /all, as I showed you since the beginning. Okay, and it return a promise. Then okay, we will do need, let's say, cat. Okay, and console till e. Okay, cat. Okay, to see if everything was properly done. Okay, and okay, then catch, not this catch, okay, error. Okay, error, like so. And so let's save and try to see what we get in our console. Okay, so let's go to our front end. Okay, real quick. Okay, let's inspect element. Okay, in our console, let's see what we have. Okay, as you can see, we have data. So, and after that, we have categories. Okay, so let's go back. Okay, and cat dot data dot categories. Okay, we also will set the categories. Okay, to cat data categories. Okay, so that's it. And now we'll need to look through these categories. Okay, so let's make the look right now. And here, okay, here, I'm gonna add the loop. Okay, let's open curly braces because inside of it, this is JavaScript. Okay, categories. Okay, I mean, if we have categories, so we want to loop. Okay, if not, the loop will not happen. Okay, categories. That map to make the loop. Okay, and we'll have also cat. Okay, and now let's make with this like so, because we don't need to return curly braces to. Okay, and what we'll have will loop. Okay, so I'm gonna copy this option. Okay, because we're gonna have our categories come from the back end. And in the option, what we're gonna have, we need to add a key. Okay, okay, this will be this cat. Okay, cat, that underscore ID, and we will also need the value. Okay, the value will be also cat ID, because this is the field that is linked um, to our with our product. Okay, and here we will output, I mean, the, the category name. Open curly braces, path that name. Okay, um, I think it should be great. Okay, and now if we take a look in our front end, okay, let's take a look real quick. Okay, and let me show you, choose category, and as you can see, okay, we have our category coming from the backend, okay, as you see in the screen. So let's continue. Okay, now we're gonna handle all the fields and also the image field. Okay, back to our code editor, we're gonna have a couple of fields. Const um, name, set name, use that hook. Okay, so and duplicate a couple of times, and here we're gonna have a description, and here we will have set description. Okay, and here we have price, set price. Okay, we have, okay, let's we have also category. Okay. Category, set category. Okay, category singular. See what else. Thank you. Done. Okay, yeah, and now let's add the event in the field. For example, when the user type the name, so that we can have the value. Okay, let's add onChange event. Okay, when I use our function and set name, equal e dot target that value, like so. And we want to duplicate this, copy and put it here. This time this will be set description, and here we want to have for the price, this will be set price, and category have set category. Okay, so let's say, I mean, for the image part, okay, so we're gonna add we will add in a separate event. Okay, okay, now let's handle, I mean, the image part. Okay, as I've told you before, so we're gonna use JavaScript. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this link in the description. So you see developer Mozilla. Okay, so you can follow along and see the example. So this is part of the browser. Okay, so we're gonna use JavaScript to handle that. Okay, and now let's go back to our code editor, and from now let's add a comment, handle. Okay, handle and convert it in base 64. Okay, so for that I'm gonna add a method once handle image. This will be in our function. Okay, so here event, okay, and const, create a variable name file, and equal e dot target dot files. Okay, it will return an array, and we will grab the first one. Okay, okay, and now we're gonna set file to base. Okay, this will be another method. We'll pass this file as parameter here, and if you're curious, you want to see what's going on, you want to console log to see what we have, console dot file. Okay, and now let's create this method just below it, const this one, our function, like so, and you receive the parameter, and const reader. Okay, we're gonna instantiate. Okay, we're gonna equal new file reader. Okay, so, and this reader that read as data URL. Okay, and we want to pass a file. Okay, like so, and the last one, reader, okay, onload. Okay, onload head, onload head. This will be also an our function. Okay, and here, okay, we wanna set, okay, our image. Okay, set our image here to receive the reader result. Okay, so we are done with this part, and now handle image. We want to have this handle image in our field here. On change, it will receive handle image like so. Okay, and after that we have I think all the fields. Okay, now we will handle the submit. We'll submit the form. Okay, now let's submit the form. Okay, const submit the form. Okay, this will be in our function, but we will use async await. Okay, and okay, let's prevent the default behavior of the form. Prevent default. Okay, and after that we're gonna use a try catch block. Okay, now inside the try const, let's extract data. Okay, equal await, because we are using async await. Axios dot post, because we are going to make a post request. Okay, and / API, because all our APIs have a prefix of API, product / create. I'm typing create. Okay, and now it accepts a second parameter that will be, what we want to send. We want to send the name. Okay, we want to send the description. Okay, we want to send the price. We want to send a category, and we want to send the image. Okay, as we have all the fields above. Okay, and see leg. Okay, hour. Okay, I'm gonna use just before. Let's make a test. If okay, if this data that success equal true. Okay, and what we are going to do, we are going to set name empty. Okay, let's copy all of these. Okay, here. Let's it's description empty, set price image empty. Okay, I'm gonna use toast notification to confirm. Okay, so it will be auto imported, as you see, toast from React Testify, toast dot success. We're gonna send the message product created successfully. Okay, and if you wanna see the data, and always see the data. Okay, data, this data. Okay, okay. After we can remove that, and okay, one more thing we need to do just before doing the test. Let's add the value. Okay, here we want to have name. Let's copy and description. Okay, after that we have price. So it should be all set. Okay. Okay, and now let's give a try. Okay, so we forget to add the submit form. So we have had it on submit event to submit, this form. And after that, in our MongoDB database, we have deleted everything in the product. So, and from now, let's try again. So, okay, so let's add the product name Dell and lorem ipsum and price 1,399. Okay, choose category. So this will be electronics. And now let's choose an image. Okay. And okay. So let's So as you can see, we have successfully created our product. And now let's go to our MongoDB database and refresh. Okay, let's refresh here. Okay, as you can see, we have name Dell. We have the description Loamisu. You see the price that we typed at 1,399. Okay, guys, that was eight for this lesson. Okay, but if you want to show, let me go back. If you want to show the image that you're uploading, let me go back real quick to fix that for you. And in this, let's add it here. Okay, and just added image like so. Okay, so that was it, guys. So it was quite a bit long, but hopefully you understand. So if you have question, please use the comment section. If you like this video, please like it, drop your likes, and add your comments. And the more you like it, the more it helps with the YouTube algorithm, and it encourage us to make more video. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.